welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. Thank you. Hi, welcome. Come back school lunch with me. So I made egg and I'm putting it here. I covered it and I'm making broccoli. He likes broccoli. He loves it, especially the frozen one. So yeah, so it's ready to go. And here I have flour, baking, yeast, and water and milk. Then I'm trying to make cinnamon rolls. Just mixing everything, mixing until it's well combined. Yes, so I kept on mixing the dough, trying to stretch and fold a bit, and I will let it rest for a few minutes. After resting, I'll come back to it and see if it has double in size. So after then, I just not too much. So I put the cinnamon, the brown sugar, and I cut it into this size. After that, I put it in. You put it in any container. Yeah, I put it here and I let it like doubled still because I wanted it to be like bigger. So here it is. It's looking beautiful. So and I'll come and add cream cheese on it. It's especially good for breakfast. I love it, especially when it's warm or hot. I love making cinnamon rolls in the morning. And here I'm trying to do the dishes. Like, it's not easy because I've been doing dishes for almost all my life, but sometimes, a lot of times here, I get help. And this is like the third house that we stayed, and this is the only house that doesn't have a dishwasher. I miss dishwasher because it's really easy. It makes life easy for for people. It does, really. So I'm just doing it with hand. So just trying to clean the sink and everything. Please don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share. I'm still new at this, and with encouragement, really, it will kind of help me to continue making the videos. And yeah. So I sometimes there are questions I ask myself about home, Africa, West Africa, especially that when will the continents, when will West Africa, when will Africa develop? Because we have a long way to go. A lot of people didn't even like get to experience what life is in another world. They've been stuck. They've been living in that same world their great grandparent knows about. They weren't able to move. They weren't able to experience a different life. The only thing they know is poverty, low, no poor standard of life, and instability and insecurity is really good. Like if one has the opportunity to try and see the world, try and travel, try and acquire knowledge, and don't just be in one spot, because it's really good when you get to see life through a different eye, not the eye that you're used to seeing. I'm fortunate. I'm among the people that were able to like experience this, and still I don't want to stop here because there are other places still in the world that I want to visit. I want to travel. It's one of my dreams, and I want to see the world, because seeing the world too is knowledge. Like, is a blessing, because when you get to experience what life has given to other people, experience their culture, experience their food, experience their weather, it's really magical. I can remember the first time I saw snow. Myself and my husband and my kid were very happy, like, to just see the snow for the first time. It was magical. and to experience other weather, to experience other culture, to experience different things. Yeah, especially when you live in community with people from different places, you get to see life in a whole new level. It's really good if you can acquire education. Like, you don't have to, sometimes you don't even have to like spend your own money to acquire education. There are scholarships, there are ways that a person can leave home just to try, not through deceiving anyone, not through hurting anyone, but there are legitimate ways to get out, to experience life in a whole new level. And that never hurt. And when you come back to your own place, you know that you've changed, because traveling changed you. It makes you see world in a whole new level. And there, yeah, there are challenges too. It's not easy starting over or traveling. You have to have money, you have to have this, that, and a lot of things. But really, I always ask this question, that when will Africa develop? When will we grow? When will we reach the places where, when will we reach the level of development that European countries have reached? When will we reach? I always ask my that question, and I'm like, I in my like the way I think maybe in 100 years, that's what I've been told. I'm like, will will development come? Will we have people that have that mindset, that really truly want to change our world, truly want to develop our world, truly want to develop our continent? You go to hospital, you see beautiful hospital, good hospital. They will tell you, okay, you're living in one of the poorest states in America, and you go to the hospital. My God, when you see it, you'll be so surprised, and you'll be like, which world am I living in? Are we living in the same world with these people? Or am I just like, I came to this world to like accompany these people, because others are enjoying it while others are suffering? I want to be able to visit Kenya, to visit Mauritania, Egypt, Ethiopia, Uganda, and Namibia. Yeah, I would love to see the sand domes there. I would love to see the pyramid in Egypt. It's, yeah, the travel is great. It's an eye opener. That's just the reason why I love to travel and see the world. Africa is beautiful. It's a beautiful continent with great potentials. Yeah, we have a lot of natural resources. We have a lot, like, we've been blessed. The weather, the almost 24 hours, the almost 12 hours sun. I miss the sun. You know, when if you're in Europe or America, you have to be taking vitamin D supplement, because our body is dark, especially us that come from Africa. Our skin is so dark that it is hard for it to absorb vitamin D from the sun.
Your eyes are
Is
closed.
that
So
oh, I
light
thought
of
it's a
joy,
Siberian husky.
too much
We are
air.
getting ice cream,
The
guys.
past oppressors as serfs and gods in the most.
So this is next morning and I'm trying to make pap. I added my clove and some other spices and I'll add ginger. So I'm not gonna remove the chaff because the chaff is very good to our body. It has a lot of fiber, so I'm not going to remove anything. I'm not gonna sieve it. I'll just blend everything together, and that's how we're going to use it.